Hello beautiful souls, Kim Crystal here and welcome to today's video. I'm so excited because we will be making a multicolored Dreamcatcher web and I'll show you guys exactly how to do it, and you can also do it in any color combination you would like. Don't forget to give this video a big like and subscribe to my channel. If you guys would like to support this channel and future videos, you guys can feel free to purchase any of the Dreamcatchers featured in this video or purchase DIY kits in the link down below. You can find me on Facebook and Instagram, and I can't wait to share some more ideas with you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and yeah, let's get right into it. So to begin, we're going to start with white cotton. You guys can use any color combination you would like. I'm going to start with white, then I'm going to go to lilac, then a bit of a deeper purple, and then a really dark purple in the center. You guys, as I said, can use any color you would like. I'm just using this color combination because this is what I have. So we're going to start by weaving it just the normal way. So tie a double knot at the end. Just do that. I like to do 3 knots usually. And then you can just clip the end short. If you guys haven't noticed, my YouTube videos are getting slightly more complicated as we go. So if you guys want a really basic Dreamcatcher tutorial, watch the DIY glow in the dark Dreamcatcher tutorial. That one's really, really simple. So what we do is go down, around, and then come through the loop, and then loop right on top of the loop we just did. Just like that. And that's our first loop. I'm also going to make another Dreamcatcher tutorial that's even more basic than this, because a lot of you guys have been saying it's getting too complicated and we need to slow it down. So I'm going to make a really basic one after this. So if this one's too hard, that's fine. It takes practice and then you'll get the hang of it. So to do it is down, around, and through. And then you can just pull it like that. Then down, around, and through. And pull it like that. Try and make these two equal spacing. So I'm going to do it about the length of my finger. Yep. So all I've done is wrap thread around a chopstick. So you can do this around a pen or anything really. It doesn't really matter. And we're just going to do this for 1 round. So it's just down, around, and through, making sure the length is about the same. There, and we're just going to do this for 1 round, and then we're going to come back here and I'm going to show you what to do. So I'm sorry guys, this video is a bit late. I have been sick this week and I have not been feeling my best, and I've got a puppy I'm taking care of that you guys met, little Zamira. She's squeaking outside, but she's with Simba and she's got a bed, so she should be fine, but she's being a big baby. So I'm going to show you guys what to do over here. I'll tell you the dragon. Okay, so once you guys have done 1 round, we are just going to start by going through the first loop we created, just like this. Just loop it and then keep looping them down like this. And I'm just going to do this for about 2 rounds, and when I say rounds, I mean we start here, that's 1 round, and then 2 rounds. So I think this string will last about 2 to 3 rounds, maybe. I didn't put a lot of string on this chopstick just because I wanted it to have the multiple colors on the web. So this might not be perfect, but I'm sure it will look nice once we are finished. Also, you guys can add beads to the thread if you would like. We're making another one just like this with beads as well. So let me just... So that's 1 round. It's meant to be one of our Skyrim's falls. I think this will go 3 rounds, so let me just do it. With a voice wielding power of the ancient North. Believe, believe the dragonborn comes. Okay, so when you're going to switch the thread over to a different colour, we're just going to have, so you've gone through here, and then we're just going to go through the loop over here, and we're just going to pull that tight, just like that, and then we're going to stop over here, so we're going to do the same thing and loop it like that. So it's just the basic loop knot, and then we're going to do a double one, so you go down, around and through, and then you're just going to let it knot on itself. Sorry, I'm losing my voice. Yeah, just like that. And I'm just going to go get, I think, a bit of nail polish to secure it would be a good idea, so I'm going to go get that, so give me a sec. So I'm just using plain clear nail polish, and I'm just doing this just because it's kind of like in the middle of the web. You don't want it to unravel. So I just gave it a good lick of paint. And then I'm just going to do one more. Oopsies. So just like this. And just pull it like that. Now just be careful because the nail polish isn't dry yet. So just be very careful. So now I'm just going to remove whatever string's left on this chopstick, and I'm going to wind up some of this string on this for the next round. So I'm not going to put on too much, just about the same amount as before. So 1 second. Believe, believe the dragon comes. So this is where we left off. So I'm just going to take the thread that we just wound up, and I'm just going to go through this one, then down, and then just tie a knot. Just one, then two, and then I'm just going to tie another knot around the base of this. Just like that, so pull it really tight, and then we're going to dot some nail polish on it. Oops. So add quite a lot of nail polish because you don't want it to unravel. And then we're going to cut it short. Just like that. And then we're just going to go down, around and through. We're just going to let that sit just next to the knot, just there, and just pull it straight down like that, and just leave it like that, and then we're going to continue going around. So now that that's tied on, we're just going to continue doing the same thing all the way around, so just in and out, just like this. And I'm going to do this for maybe 3 or 4 rounds, but I'm going to time lapse it, so just hang on 1 second. So just keep doing this, just pull it as you go, don't pull too tight because you don't want to snap the thread just because the nail polish is still wet. But once it's dry you can pull it quite tight. So I'm going to time lapse it, I'll be back in a second.
I was listening to the ocean, I saw a face in the sand, but when I picked it up, then it vanished away from my hands. I had a dream I was 7, climbing my way in a tree. I saw a piece of heaven waiting patient for me. And I was running far away. Should I run off the world someday? Nobody knows, nobody knows. I was dancing in the rain, I felt alive and I can't complain. But now take me home where I belong. I can't take it anymore. I was painted a picture. The picture was a painting of you, and for a moment I thought you were here, but then again it wasn't true. And all this time you have been lying. it to myself. I've been putting sorrow on the farthest place on my shelf. Da-dee-da. And I was running far away. Should I run off the world someday? Nobody knows, nobody knows. I was dancing in the rain, I felt alive and I can't complain. But now take me home where I belong. I've got no other place to go. Now take me home where I belong. I've got no other place to go. Now take me home where I belong. I can't take it anymore. But I kept running for a soft place to fall. But I kept running for a soft place to fall. But I kept running for a soft place to fall. But I kept running for a soft place to fall. And I was running far away. Should I run off the world someday? But now take me home where I belong. I've got no other place to go. Now take me home where I belong. I've got no other place to go. Now take me home where I belong. 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 I can't take it anymore.